So what's up guys? So right now I'm going to Nicaragua, and in this video I'm going to explain to you how does affiliate marketing work. But first of all, so I'm working as a chemical engineer and doing affiliate marketing as a side hustle. And why am I doing affiliate marketing? Well, because I think that it's important to have multiple streams of income. In this economy right now, we don't know if we can lose our jobs. So that is why it's so important, guys, to have another stream of income. So how does affiliate marketing work? There are websites in which we can go and find products to promote. For example, we can promote Amazon products, we can promote ClickBank products. So these are affiliate platforms that we can go and find products, and they are going to give us a special link. And if people buy from that link, we can make a commission. But how we can do that? It's important to build our own audience. So check this out, guys. Here I have, so this is my flight, AV 392. I need to go to the gate 3. Okay, so we can do affiliate marketing by two methods. So we can use organic traffic strategies, which is creating content on social media. Okay guys, so we just landed, and I was telling you that one of the most important things about doing affiliate marketing is that it's important to build your own audience. So for example, when I started doing affiliate marketing in 2017, it took me like 1 year to get my first commission by using only organic traffic strategies. It's possible to promote products and make commissions on YouTube, but it takes time, guys. It takes time. So right now I'm waiting for my luggage. Check this out. And then I need to go to AB's because I'm going to rent a car here in Nicaragua. Hey guys, so I just landed and I needed to go to customs because I needed to pay like 20 bucks for some things that I have here in my luggage for my work. So I'm done with that, and right now I'm going to go to AB's because I'm going to rent a car. I arrived at the hotel, guys. It's like 9 p.m. and right now I need to do some work, send some emails, do some chemical engineering calculations. And if you have any questions about affiliate marketing, let me know in the comments, and talk to you soon. See you in the next video.